Hello friends, in this tutorial we will discuss how to add the geometry from other modeling. So first you see there is a unit command. Here there is a unit SI metric, and you can also select more unit by going to unit system. Now you see there are lots of units, so you can choose according to your desired work. And here there is a symbol, and the meaning of this symbol is written here. Now next go to the static structural. So there is a green check here. It means that engineering data is ready. Now here also see there is a green check, means it is ready. Now we go for the next operation. Here this are the series of operation which you have to perform. Next is the geometry. Just go to the design modeler. Initially it will take some time to open. See here also there is a starting design modeler. There is a red symbol, or the red color indicates that it is starting. Now look, this design modeler is open now. Now here there is a file, create, concept, tool, unit. You can also choose the unit from here, in which unit you have to be work. There is a view option, and now there is a file. Just go to the file, and here one option, that is import external geometry. Just click on import external geometry. Now this Ansys only support IGS file, so look for the IGS file. Like this is my IGS file. Just select and open. Now click here generate. So generate option is very important in this Ansys modeling. It means whenever you are performing a work, lastly you have to click on the generate button to generate it. If you not click the generate, it will not be produced. Now look here, this knuckle joint is imported successfully. Now how you can zoom in, zoom out and scroll. Now click on the mouse button. That means click on the middle mouse button. Now look here, the cursor symbol is changed. Now move your mouse. If you move your mouse up and down, it will rotate it. And scroll the middle mouse button up and down, it will move in, and it will zoom in and zoom out. Now this is the global axis system. It indicates in which axis you are performing. If you go to the x-axis, now this is YZ plane. Now Z, this is XY plane. Now there is one option here. This means that this is option used for selecting point, and this option is used for selecting edge, and this option is used for selecting face, and this is selecting for whole body. Now this option, this is the box zoom. Just click on this. Now where you want to zoom, just suppose I want to zoom in this middle portion. Just look here, this middle portion, zoom. Now next is zoom. Just click and move your mouse. According to your movement, it will zoom in and zoom out. Just off this option. So now you can simply scroll for zoom in, zoom out. Next one, this is the face or the plane or sketch. Now this is the plane. There are three types of plane: XY plane, ZX plane and YZ plane. And this is a tree-like structure: XY plane, ZX and YZ plane. Now here, this geometry consists of 5 bodies. That's why here 5 parts and 5 bodies. Suppose this is the solid, this is another solid, this is third solid, this is fourth, and this is fifth solid. So this knuckle joint consists of 5 parts. That's why 5 solids are there. Now just delete it, go to the file, start over. Now this is the starting. When you start the design modeler, look like this, and this is a sketch command, and this is the modeling command. This is the sketch command to draw the 2D sketch, and this is the modeling to perform the 3D operation like extrude, revolve, sweep, and skin loft. I will tell you later how to extrude and revolve and sweep and loft. Now first make a sketch. Let's go to sketching. Now there are the draw, modify, dimension, constraint, and setting. This draw used for making a line, polygon, rectangle, or any 2D shape. So let us, I am selecting the XY plane. Now choose a line. Now this V indicates this is the vertical line. Now H indicates this is a horizontal line. Now this is the modify, this is the filter, chamfer, corner, trim, extend, split, drag, cut, copy, paste, move, duplicate, offset, spline end, and this is the dimension. So suppose I am choosing the horizontal. Now here this is H1, you can give the dimension, suppose it 20. Now again choosing the vertical. Now this V2 as a 10 mm. Now this is the constraint. This is fixed, horizontal, vertical, perpendicular, tangent. Now once the drawing is complete, lastly you have to press generate. Generate. Now go to the modeling. Now here, if you want to extrude this geometry, go to the extrude. Now here it is asking that select the geometry. Now go to the XY plane, there is a sketch here, you select the sketch and click apply. Now this is the distance, is asking up to what distance you extend this geometry, suppose 10. Enter, then finally press generate. Now before pressing the generate, you look, there is a visible that this geometry is extruded, but clearly visible in 3D, you have to finally press the generate. Generate. Now you see the block is created. Now if you want to thin this block, then there is an option that as thin surface, just go as thin surface and yes. Now it is asking that what will be the thickness of this block. Suppose 0.05 as it is, click here generate. Now once you generate it, look, it converted into the thin. Okay, so let's know and generate. This block is created. Now delete this. Just go to the extrude and delete and yes. Now again sketch, XY plane, sketching. This is for normal. So once you click on the options, this axis become normal. Click here, the axis become normal. Now there is a rectangle. Just click on the rectangle. Like this, you can create a rectangle, oval, 1 point, second point, and like this you can create a oval, circle, just 1 point, and another. So this is arc by 3 point, first point, second point, and third point. This is ellipse, first point, second point, third point. Now spline, first point, second point, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. Just right click and open end. Now this command is ended now. Now go to the modify. Now fillet. Select fillet. Select one line. Select another line. Now now go to the dimension, radius. Now R3, that the radius you have to change. Like suppose I want to do the fillet of 2 meter. Now it is changed. Now again go to the modify, chamfer, first, select. Now next one is the corner, trim, extend, first delete all. Now after deleting, how to use trim, extend, just create one geometry. This is a rectangle, this is the other rectangle. Now go to modify. Now if I want to remove this line between this small rectangle, just select the trim and click on this line. Now it is trimmed. Now extend, go to extend. Now if you want to create a line in between this small rectangle, just click on this line, it will extend it. Now like this you can use the trim and extend. So there is a dimension, suppose general. If I want to give the dimension of this line, now H5, this it will make 25, and V4 it also 25, and V6 and suppose it 10. So like this you can give the dimension of the line. So you can also give the dimension of radius, diameter, angle from here. Now this is about the sketching, that is 2D modeling. Now once you completed the geometry, suppose I want to trim. Now once you completed the geometry, don't forget to once you complete the geometry, don't forget to press the generate it. Now go to the modeling, and if you want to extrude it, suppose go to the extrude, apply the geometry, select sketch 1 and apply, and this is the 10 meter. Look here, it is extruded up to 10 meter. Now click on generate. So this is extruded. Now this is the selection box. If you just select the face selection, just go to the face. Now this is for the whole geometry. Click. It will select the entire geometry. Now this is the line. If you want to select the line or edge, now this line will be, edge will be selected here. Now this is for the point. Now if you want to select this a single point. So this is the selection process. So that's all for today. Thank you.